The crush of Americans returning from Europe this weekend, sparking coronavirus chaos at some of America's biggest airports.
People were forced into conditions that are totally unacceptable.
Frustrated travelers shared images of long winding lines and massive crowds as the United States officially closed its borders to most European countries. Under the president's new tighter travel restrictions, Americans coming from hot zones around the world are being funneled through select airports for enhanced medical screenings.
Greetings from Chicago Airport, where the odyssey is almost over. There is light at the end of the tunnel.
At Chicago's O'Hare, thousands of travelers were bunched together for hours, even as public health officials urge everyone to avoid contact.
There was no grumbling about why the heck do we have to go through this. Everyone was aware of it and not complaining about that. People were concerned about their connections, of course. Just be prepared when you're traveling. There will be delays here and there. Keep your patience.
In a series of angry tweets, the Democratic governor of Illinois criticized President Trump about the long waits, saying the federal government needs to get its, well, act together now.
As people were flooding into O'Hare Airport, they were stuck in a small area, hundreds and hundreds of people, and that's exactly what you don't want in this pandemic.
Trump defended his administration over the crowded conditions in a tweet, calling the medical screenings very precise.
Norway, Poland, Portugal,
An American student rushing home because of fears she would be stuck in London posted this video on Twitter of passengers being asked to raise their hands if they had been to Europe.
Once again, if you have traveled to any of the previously listed countries within the last 14 days, we ask that you please raise your hand.
Upon landing in Dallas, she tweeted, "Truly one of the most terrifying experiences of my life."
We just got an in-flight notification that something must have changed in the 10 hours of our flight because Border Patrol is going to come onto our plane and have us fill out a lot of health forms. Nobody really knows what that means.
The confusion comes as the nation's top infectious disease expert warns the outbreak will get worse before it gets better.
Americans should be prepared that they're going to have to hunker down significantly more than we as a country are doing.
In a bold action to cushion the economy from what's to come, the U.S. Federal Reserve slashed interest rates to near zero and said it would buy government debt.
It's really good news. It's really great for our country. It's something that we're very happy.
There are now more than 3,000 cases in the U.S. spread across 49 states, and the scope of the crisis became even clearer over the weekend as 3 more states, Louisiana, Virginia, and New York, reported their first coronavirus deaths. As of Sunday morning, only West Virginia was without a single diagnosis. For City News, I'm Caryn Ceolin.